Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem at hand. You've created your first model in CodeIgniter4 and noticed some unexpected additional fields in the return data when calling a specific function. This can be a common issue that arises when working with models in CodeIgniter. But fret not, as there's a simple solution to this mystery. Now, let's talk about the solution. Remember that snippet of code I shared earlier? By adding the first method to the end of your query, you'll be able to execute the query and retrieve only the desired data fields from the database. This method ensures that you're returning the actual data you're looking for, rather than the entire model class with all its extra information. So, to wrap things up, always remember to include first at the end of your query to fetch the specific data you need without all the additional clutter. With this tweak, you'll get back those clean and concise results you were expecting all along. And that's a wrap. I hope this explanation helped shed some light on the issue you were facing. Remember, implementing the first method is key to streamlining your data retrieval process in CodeIgniter4. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, smash that subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!